Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss line spectrum in continuity of the structure of atom, the line spectrum. So we are going to discuss today line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Okay. Now let's see what is the line spectrum. Line spectrum I already told you about spectra. Let's see. Suppose in hydrogen atom there is one electron on ground state. This is the excited state. When radiation is given to this electron, its electron jump. This electron absorb suitable energy and jump from ground state to high state. Then absorption spectra is occur. Clear? This state is, we know, unstable and electron want to become stable. So what happen? Electron again emit radiation and come back to its ground state. Then it is called the emission spectra. Spectra is the depend on the radiation. Emit radiation, then emission spectra. If radiation is absorbed, then absorption spectra. So in hydrogen atom there is line spectra and discontinuous spectra. Yes. So line spectra is used to identify element. Each element has unique line emission spectrum, and this is the characteristic of the element of the atom. This line spectra is used to identify the unknown atom. This is like a fingerprint. As fingerprint are used to identify the person, like line spectra is identify the atom. Line spectra of unknown sample is exactly matched with the line spectra of the atom of a known element. So now clear all of you what is the line spectra and what is its uses. So line spectra is used to identify the element. All atoms have different spectra like fingerprint. All different persons have different fingerprint. Now thus the transition from one level to another will produce a line spectra. We already discussed from ground state to excited state when electron jump, and when electron came back from excited state to ground state, spectrum arises. So thus the transition from one level to another transition from one level to another level of electron produce the line spectrum. For example, let's see, there are different lines. We draw the lines. These are the energy level. Okay. There are different energy level. So first level 1, 2. These are the energy level in increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Let's see. Where energy level is in excited state and ground state. So how the line spectra is obtained? For example, when electron jump from all the energy level higher than n equal to 1. Let's see, n equal to 1, when we write n1 equal to 1 and n2 equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. These all are excited state for this step. When electron are jump, the electron are present suppose in n equal to 1 energy level. These lines are called Lyman series. When electron jump from all energy level higher than n equal to 1. Let's see, electron may jump fourth level, electron jump like this. So when electron jump from one energy level to another energy level, it means ground state equal to 1 and excited state maybe 2, 3, 4 any. These are called the Lyman series. These are called the Lyman series. Now again I will explain. Let's see. When ground state is 1, okay, and electron jump from one level to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 and so on. This is the Lyman series. These all are the Lyman series. Next see, you have to make the diagram of the spectra. Next, these called the Lyman series. And next point, when n1 equal to 2 and n2 equal to 3, 4, 5. What happened in this condition? Let's see. Suppose electron, ground state of the electron is this. Electron jump from third layer, electron jump 2 to 4, electron jump 2 to 5. What is the name of this series now? Lyman-Balmer series. This is called the Balmer series. Clear, all of you? Like this, n equal to 3, electron jump here, electron jump like this, electron jump like this. What is this series are called? These are the Balmer series. Now what is the name of this series? Balmer series, okay? L is silent. Lyman, Balmer, and next is Paschen series. This is called the Paschen series. Okay? Clear all of you? Now again see, these are the levels. What happened? Next series, fourth series. When electron jump from 4 to 5 and 5 to 4 to 5 and 4 to 6, it means n1 equal to 4 and n2 equal to 5, 6, 7 so on. This is called the bracket series. This is called bracket, B-R-A-C-K-E-T-T, bracket series. Now last is when electron jump from 5 to 6, It is called Fund series. Fund series. Now we summarize in a table. Let's see. First series N1, N2 and spectra region. Name of series. Okay. N1. What is N2? And next is spectra region. First, Lyman series. First series is Lyman. N1 equal to 1, N2 equal to 2, 3, 4, so on. And this series is occurring ultraviolet region. This question is arises in your exam. Ultraviolet region. Which spectra series is occur in ultraviolet region? Lyman series. Clear? Second, Balmer series. When N1 equal to 2, N2 equal to 3, 4, 5, so on. And this is the visible region. Do you know what is the visible region? Like Vibrion, 400 nm to 800 nm is the visible region. If lambda is wavelength is 400 nm to 800 nm for any wavelength, this is the visible region. So which series is occur in visible region? Your answer is Balmer series. Next one, tell me next one, what is the next series? We already discussed what is the next series. Anybody? Okay, Paschen series. Paschen. What happened in this condition? N1 equal to 3, okay, N2 equal to 4, 5, 6, so on. And range of this series is infrared. Infrared region. Infrared. Next one, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, then bracket. Next series is bracket. BRA. Bracket series. Bracket. Where N1 equal to 4 and 5, 6, 7. Let's see. This is again in infrared region. Now, last one is Fund series. P silent. Fund series. Lyman, Paschen, bracket, Fund. Fund series where N1 equal to 5 and N2 equal to 6, 7 and so on. Region is again infrared region. Now we summarize this series. Lyman, N1 equal to 1, N2 equal to 2, 3, 4 and spectra region is UV region. Below 400 nm. Balmer series, N1 equal to 2, N2 equal to 3, 4 and 5. Visible region which is 400 nm to 800 nm. We have to learn this region. Paschen series, when N1 equal to 3, N2 equal to 4, 5, 6 and spectra region is infrared. 5, 6, 7. Again, spectral region is infrared. Now, last fold series where M1 equal to 5, M2 equal to 6, 7, 8 and infrared. So what happens in this condition? Electrons are jumped from higher level to lower layer. Higher to lower. So what happens? They emit radiation. So these are called the emission spectra. Now I think it's clear all of you. And thank you. We will continue next topic in next class.